how to set up Google Publisher Center. So if you want to set up Google Publisher Center, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Now from here, you just need to simply go and search for Google Publisher Center. Once you've searched for it, you need to go with the official results, which is publishercenter.google.com. Click on that. And you may be prompted to sign into your Google account. Once you sign in, this type of web page will be displayed in front of you. In order to sign up, you just need to enter the link of the publication. So enter your publication's URL and click on add button, which will be on the right side. Now, if I add my publication, which will be right here, you can see that a pop-up menu appears. You will be prompted to enter your publication's name and the country. And once done, you need to click on add publication, which will be in the bottom, and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can set up your Google Publisher Center. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.